name is Murat Keskinkelinc. We are here at ISE 2023 in Barcelona, and we are showcasing our DICENTIS conferencing system over here with our new additions to our range, which is the flush mount actually. So the flush mount installations are ideal for fixed install projects. You can neatly build it into the table and it will save you table space, and you can use your paper and other equipment around. So what we are actually adding to our flush range at the moment this year is our voting panels, so you can easily vote about certain topics. Also, we are adding an identification panel, which we can also see on this side, and it is very easy for participants to identify themselves, so to log into meetings and participate in the meeting. So what we also can do, we can deliver the standard flush mount panel in a different custom coloring. We can do that with the hydro dipping, and here you see some examples of it, and we built also one into the table, as you see, in a different custom color. Also, what is new is our new Integris transmitter, which you can see on the wall. So this will make it very easy for our customers to connect the DICENTIS conferencing system with the interpretation to the language distribution, infrared language distribution system Integris. So with just one cable connection, you can easily stream the channels into the infrared receivers for the audience. For more information, please visit our website www.boschsecurity.com, and wishing you a good day.